Imagine the feeling of freedom when you finally pay off all your debt. No more loans, credit card bills, or monthly payments draining your income. But then, the big question hits. How do you stay debt-free? Today, we're sharing 10 money habits that'll help you not only stay debt-free, but grow your finances over time. From practical tips to wisdom straight from the Bible, let's explore how to build a secure financial future. 1. Shift your money mindset. Now that you're debt-free, the first habit to build is shifting your mindset. Debt-free is great, but what's next? Start thinking about how to grow and protect what you've worked hard for. Proverbs 21:5 says, "The plans of the diligent lead to profit." Building good financial habits isn't about denying yourself. It's about creating a healthy, productive relationship with money. 2. Set new financial goals. Getting debt-free was a big achievement, but you're just getting started. New goals can keep you on track and give your money a purpose. Whether it's an emergency fund, saving for a home, or investing in education, setting goals keeps you motivated. Goals give every dollar a job and keep you from overspending. Ask yourself, what's my next big goal? You'll be surprised how much a clear target can motivate you. Number 3, track your spending religiously. Now that debt's gone, you might feel like there's no need to monitor every penny. But tracking your spending is still one of the best ways to keep your financial house in order. Apps like Mint, YNAB, and others are easy to use and can help you see where your money is going. Tracking isn't about restriction, it's about awareness. Knowledge is power, and knowing your spending habits helps you avoid falling back into debt. 4. Automate your savings. Automating savings might sound simple, but it's super effective. Even small automatic transfers add up over time. Set it and forget it, then watch your savings grow. Proverbs 13:11 says, "Wealth gained hastily will dwindle, but whoever gathers little by little will increase it." Starting with just $20 or $50 a month can build your emergency fund before you know it, and an emergency fund is your safety net against future debt. 5. Practice contentment spending. Contentment is about making mindful choices. Ask yourself, do I really need this, or is it just a want? Philippians 4:11 says, "I have learned in whatever situation I am to be content." Practicing contentment doesn't mean never enjoying life. It just means learning to appreciate what you have and avoiding the urge to buy something just because it's on sale or looks nice. It's about spending with purpose and value in mind. 6. Begin investing wisely. Investing might sound complicated, but it's a powerful way to grow wealth over time. If you're new to it, start simple. Many people begin with index funds, which spread your investment across a variety of companies and offer steady growth. And remember, you don't need a ton of money to start. Start with what you can, and let the magic of compounding interest work for you. Small, steady contributions can really add up. 7. Build and maintain an emergency fund. An emergency fund is essential if you want to stay debt-free. Experts recommend having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. Life happens. Medical bills, car repairs, or unexpected expenses. An emergency fund means that instead of falling back into debt, you'll have the funds to cover these situations. Aim for a small goal first, like $1,000, and build from there. 8. Update your budget regularly. Just because you're debt-free doesn't mean you don't need a budget. Your budget is like a map, helping you direct your money to where it needs to go. Life changes, so it's important to adjust your budget when it does. Maybe you got a raise, your rent went up, or your needs shifted. Check in with your budget monthly, make tweaks as needed, and keep it flexible. This way, you're always in control. 9. Find financial community and accountability. One of the best ways to stay on track with your finances is to surround yourself with like-minded people. Whether it's family, friends, or an online group, having people around you who understand your goals and encourage your financial journey is powerful. Hebrews 10:24 tells us to consider how to stir up one another to love and good works. Finding community can be a great source of motivation, accountability, and encouragement. 10. Practice gratitude and celebrate small wins. It might sound simple, but gratitude is powerful. When you're grateful, you're less likely to feel like you're missing out by not overspending. It helps you focus on the good in what you already have. Plus, celebrate small wins along the way. Maybe you put aside an extra $100 or reached a savings goal. Celebrating these milestones can keep you motivated to keep going. Closing thoughts. And there you have it. These are 10 simple but effective habits to help you stay debt-free and grow your finances over time. Which habit are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us on this journey. Here's to a debt-free future and building wealth that lasts.